I need y'all to do me a favor real quick and just follow me. Just follow me. I promise you. I promise you. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Check this out. This master closet. Look at this. It just keeps going and going. I can almost guarantee there is no complaints with this master closet, right? What is going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Diante. Here, as always, in another beautiful home, as you guys can see with my favorite foosball table, okay? This home is a 5-bedroom, 3+ bathroom home, depending on what you want to do, right? 3,200 plus square foot home in Claremont, Florida. As you guys see, it is a 2-story home featuring the loft and so many upgrades that you guys are going to enjoy. And guess what? Yes, we have buyer incentives. So 3% of the purchase price you can use for either buying down the rate, guys, or your closing costs. It all depends on kind of what you want to do as of this video. So that's definitely something you guys are going to want to take advantage of. So, without further ado, you know how we get down. Let's take a look at the house. So there you guys have it. As you know, my information is right here. Reach out to me so we can either set up a private tour for you guys or just get the process started in getting you into this house, okay? Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And always remember, in real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk to you guys soon, all right?